Good morning. Happy Monday, everyone. I hope that you are ready for today's grammar video. Today I will talk about the dilemma that many English students have when they don't know when to use the present perfect and when to use the past simple. There are many explanations and there are many cases when you need to use either one, but I believe that it all comes down to one simple rule, and today I will share with you this rule. Look at these two examples. I visited London and I have visited London. The first one is in the past simple and the second one is in the present perfect. Let me tell you the rule, and then we can see how we can complete these two sentences with other words to highlight the differences in meaning. One simple principle is that the past simple is used for finished time and the present perfect is used for unfinished time. Let me explain. Think of yesterday. Is yesterday's day finished or is it still going on? It's finished, right? So use the past simple. For example, I played the piano yesterday. Played, the past simple. Now, in the expression since yesterday, the time period is not finished. It's going on until now. So you use the present perfect. For example, he has written 5 emails since yesterday. Also, when you talk about your experiences in life, but don't tell exactly when they happened, like not specific year or month or week, then you also use the present perfect. Because when you talk about experiences in life, it's unfinished time because your life is not finished. It's still going on. For example, you can say, I have ridden a horse twice. We don't know exactly when, but we know that it happened at one point in your life. Now, let's go back to the sentences from the beginning of the video. What can you add to the sentences, I visited London, for it to make sense? It is in the past simple, so we need to add a finished time period. I visited London 2 years ago, or I visited London in 2014. The sentence I have visited London is in the present perfect. And we are talking about experiences in life. You can say, I have visited London twice so far, or I have visited London with my family. Now let me remind you about the time expressions that are used for each tense. For the past simple, it is yesterday, last week, month, year, ago, etc. For the present perfect, it is since, for, yet, recently, ever, etc. As a review, you use the past simple for the finished time and present perfect for the unfinished time. I hope it was clear. Have a wonderful day. Keep calm and study English. Bye-bye.